Ever found yourself scrolling through social media, seeing friends brag about their latest vacations, new cars, or even early retirement plans, and felt that pang of envy, thinking, how are they doing it? And more importantly, why isn't that me? It's a common feeling, isn't it? We all have aspirations. Maybe it's that dream house with a sprawling garden, or perhaps a comfortable retirement where you can travel the world without a care. For some, it's funding your child's education without the burden of loans, or even just building a robust emergency fund that gives you true peace of mind. These aren't just fleeting desires, they're the building blocks of a secure and fulfilling future. Yet, for many, they remain just that, desires, seemingly out of reach. The truth is, the gap between where you are financially and where you want to be often feels like an insurmountable chasm. We know we should be saving, investing, and planning, but the sheer complexity of it all, coupled with the daily grind of life, can be paralyzing. Where do you even begin? How do you break down these massive, intimidating dreams into actionable steps? And once you do, how do you stay disciplined and on track, especially when life throws its inevitable curveballs? This is where financial goals come into play. They're not just abstract wishes, they're concrete targets that give your money a purpose. Think of them as destinations on your financial roadmap. Without a destination, you're just driving aimlessly, burning fuel without getting anywhere meaningful. Financial goals provide direction, motivation, and a framework for making smart decisions with your hard-earned money. And what if I told you there's a powerful, intuitive tool that can help you not only define these goals but actively work towards achieving them, almost effortlessly? A tool that simplifies the often intimidating world of investing and makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. Today, we're diving deep into Acorns, a revolutionary micro-investing app that's changing the game for millions. Specifically, we're going to explore one of its most powerful yet often underutilized features, how to create and manage your financial goals directly within the app. Whether you're a complete beginner to investing or someone looking to optimize their existing strategy, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the fundamental principles of setting effective financial goals to the step-by-step process of implementing them within Acorns, and even some advanced tips to keep you on the path to financial freedom. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of Acorns, let's briefly touch upon what makes a good financial goal. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. That's too vague. A good financial goal is smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific, what exactly do you want to achieve? Instead of save money, try save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. Measurable, how will you know when you've reached it? This involves a specific dollar amount. Achievable, is it realistic given your current income and expenses? Don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant, does this goal align with your broader life aspirations? Is it truly important to you? Time-bound, when do you want to achieve this by? A deadline creates urgency and helps with planning. So, with that framework in mind, let's open up the Acorns app and see how we can translate these principles into actionable steps. When you first open Acorns, you'll typically land on your home screen, which gives you a snapshot of your investments. To access the Goals feature, you'll want to navigate to the Invest section. Depending on your app version, this might be a dedicated tab at the bottom or an option within a menu. Once you're in the Invest section, look for something like Goals or Set a Goal. Acorns is constantly refining its interface, but the core functionality remains consistent. Upon entering the Goals section, you'll likely see an option to add a goal or create a new goal. This is where the magic begins. Acorns provides a fantastic starting point by offering a variety of common goal categories. These typically include emergency fund. This is arguably the most crucial financial goal. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses can prevent financial disaster when unexpected events occur, like job loss or medical emergencies. Retirement. This is a long-term goal, but incredibly important. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Kids. This could encompass saving for a child's education, a down payment on their first home, or even just a general fund for their future. Major purchase. This category is for big-ticket items like a new car, a house down payment, or a dream vacation. General savings. For anything else that doesn't fit neatly into the other categories, like building up a general wealth fund. Let's say for this example, we want to create a goal for a major purchase, specifically, a down payment on a car. Once you select Major Purchase, Acorns will prompt you to name your goal. Be specific here. Instead of just car, try down payment for new SUV. This personalizes the goal and makes it feel more tangible. Next, Acorns will ask you for your target amount. This is where your measurable aspect comes in. Let's say you're aiming for a $5,000 down payment. Input that figure. Following that, you'll be asked for your target date, the time-bound element. When do you want to achieve this by? Maybe you're hoping to buy that SUV in 18 months. Select the appropriate date. Now, here's where Acorns truly shines in its simplicity and guidance. Based on your target amount and target date, Acorns will automatically calculate a suggested recurring contribution amount. This is incredibly helpful because it breaks down that large $5,000 goal into manageable weekly or monthly contributions. So, for our $5,000 car down payment in 18 months, Acorns might suggest contributing around $278 per month. This suggested contribution is a powerful motivator. It transforms a daunting lump sum into an achievable regular saving habit. Acorns will also often show you how much you've already contributed towards this goal and how much more you need to reach it. This visual progress bar is fantastic for keeping you motivated. After you've reviewed the suggested contribution, Acorns will ask you to confirm your goal. Once confirmed, your new goal will appear in your goals section. But the process doesn't stop there. Acorns offers several ways to fund your goals, and this is where the set it and forget it aspect comes into play. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.